Hi, I'm Catherine with the Old Country Porch, and today I'm going to be testing out 4 different ways to clean copper pans. I found this set of copper bottom pans about a year ago at a thrift store. I'm absolutely in love with them, but I have never been able to get the bottoms of them clean. I didn't want to use any kind of harsh chemicals, so I did some research and found 4 different methods to try to get the bottoms of these pans clean. The first method is using ketchup. The second one is using diatomaceous earth and water. The third is using salt and a lemon, and the fourth is using white vinegar and salt. I'm going to start with this pan because it is the dirtiest. So I'll start with the ketchup. So this one needs to sit for a few minutes, so we'll come back to this one. For the next one, I'm going to make a little paste with some diatomaceous earth and water. This one is supposed to sit for a few minutes too, so we'll come back to that one. The next one is salt and lemon, and you sprinkle the salt on and then scrub with the lemon. This one's definitely working. It's just taking a long time to get it to scrub off. And the last one I'm going to try is vinegar and salt. This one seems to be working instantly without any scrubbing. So I've let everything sit for a few minutes, and now I'm going to see what's under the ketchup. It's definitely working. I wonder how long you have to let it sit to get the whole thing clean. Next, I'm going to scrub in the diatomaceous earth a little bit and see if this one works. That one worked a little bit too, but it's going to take a ton of scrubbing with this one as well. It looks like all 4 of them work a little bit, but this one with the salt and vinegar looks like it's going to be the most effective and the fastest. So I was able to clean these 6 pans in just under 15 minutes. So that is amazing. As far as getting the years of tarnish off of the copper, it really could not have been easier. I do have several spots that really need to be scrubbed out. And I found that if I add a little bit of the diatomaceous earth as I'm scrubbing it, it got out most of the little spots, but the big ones are going to need a lot more elbow grease. Overall, for not having any chemicals and just using things that I had around the house, I'm really impressed with how well these turned out. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you like this video and want to see more videos like it, be sure to hit the subscribe button below. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.